today I am trying out Green Chef, vegan and gluten-free according to my food preferences. But basically, Green Chef is a company where they provide you a meal prep service directly to your door. They send you the ingredients and the coordinating recipe. So I'm really excited to try this for you guys. Stay tuned for the review.
Into the place, a spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way.
Because that was worth it. That was worth the money. This is why I be telling my clients, try out some of these meal prep services, because they're gonna bring you flavors that you typically just wouldn't eat. Like, I don't be toasting no fucking pine nuts. I don't be making harissa sauce and stuff. Like, those are things that I have yet to tap into in my own kitchen. So it's just dope to try things out. And, you know, it just gives me a little bit of inspiration moving forward when I want to create my own dishes. So, yeah.
Lost in a daze, caught your sudden gaze, and time it started racing. But moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away.
Unfortunately, this recipe wasn't gluten-free, and I just kind of did my research. I looked at the recipe and realized that the only thing that had gluten in it was the pasta. So I was like, okay, I'll just substitute the pasta out. That was one thing about Green Chef is, you know, you can only choose from a certain amount of recipes for that week, you know, within your dietary limits. So I pretty much just decided to go with the pasta and just substitute it out. This pasta is hella good. The truffle makes it taste like mac and cheese. It tastes so good. This is my first time tasting the teff pasta, and it's really good. It's not as like chewy as chickpea pasta, so I kind of like this better. I've tried truffle popcorn before, but I've never like actually bought the seasoning for my kitchen, so it's exciting to just see what you can do with a little truffle seasoning. It really like makes the pasta dish super rich. They send you just enough to make the recipe. They send you the seasoning, all the veggies, everything.
Is that so? Everything is organic.
So I thought I was recording myself doing a little quick mukbang of this cauliflower bowl, but I wasn't. So I just wanted to deliver that review via audio. I love this bowl. It was fire. 10 out of 10. I love Green Chef. I was really excited about this meal because it was already gluten-free. Unlike the other recipe, the pasta recipe, I had to substitute out the pasta with my own personal pasta just to accommodate the recipe for me. But Green Chef does do a good job, I feel like, with their gluten-free options. They're just not in abundance. So that is a quick FYI. I have a part 2 coming for you guys because I did order another box. Stay tuned for that.
Your sudden gaze, and time it started racing. But moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone